This is the Atlantic Coast Sound truck, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to drive and get up to about 35 miles an hour. I'm going to put it in neutral and drop the throttle to idle, and you're going to hear this oscillating noise. So that means it's not a boost problem, it's not a transmission problem, because it's in neutral and I have no throttle, and you'll hear it's an oscillating noise. Fix the boost leak. Right now I'm throttling up so you don't hear any boost. We're at 30, you'll start hearing it. Now I'm about to drop it into neutral and let off the throttle. You hear that oscillating noise. Down to 30. And it'll drop out when I get below about 20.